Welcome. Let's go over how to set up QuickBooks Time so you can track the hours your team has worked and have it sync directly with your payroll in QuickBooks. Note this video is for setting up time tracking for your team. If you want to see how your team will enter time using the QuickBooks Workforce mobile app, this other video will show you how. To start, go to Payroll Overview, and under your Setup tasks, tell us how you like to track time under Setup Time Tracking. Select Start. You'll see some info on how time tracking works. If you want to download the Workforce mobile app, you can do that here. Once you complete your setup, you can use the app to manage and track your teams. Select Let's Go. Select the fields you would like your team to fill out on their timesheets. When you are finished, select Next. Next, tell QuickBooks how your team will track time. You can have your team enter their time on their mobile phone using the QuickBooks Workforce app, or you can have your team enter their time using the QuickBooks Time kiosk app on a tablet you set up for them to clock in and out on. Note that if you choose the mobile phone option, you can also decide if you want to allow your team to edit their timesheets after they submit them. You can select either or both. We'll select both for this example because the setup for each is a bit different. Select Next. We'll set up time tracking on mobile phones first. First, you need to invite your employees to track their time on the Workforce app. You'll see a list of all the employees you haven't invited yet. Make sure everyone you want to invite is checked. Then select if you want to send them the invitation via text or email. Note that you'll need their mobile number or email address to invite them. If you don't have either, you'll need to add one to their employee profile before you can invite them. Select Invite Team Members when you're done. If you are only using the mobile phone option, you're done, but if you need to set up a kiosk, you'll do that next. Add the device you want to use as the kiosk. Give the kiosk a name. Decide if you want the kiosk to take a picture when your team member clocks in or out. Set the language and decide if you want to record the location of the kiosk, show a team member list, and the status of each team member on the kiosk. When you've finished, select Save. Then install the QuickBooks Time kiosk app on your kiosk and enter the authorization code once the app prompts you. When you're finished, select Close. You'll see your kiosk listed here with your choices. You can edit or delete your kiosk or add more. You may want to add a duration when team members will automatically be clocked out of the kiosk in case they forget to clock out themselves. Select Next. Choose which of these advanced tasks you would like to set up and select Done. Now you're all set up. Select Settings, Account and Settings, and Time to view or change your time settings. This is where you control things like employee timesheet fields, break rules, location and mileage tracking, approval rules, and reminders for employees and managers. Now you're ready to start tracking time in QuickBooks Online Payroll.